Let's take a look at the stunning fans you can choose from in our range. From bathroom and kitchen fans to our great choice of ceiling fans, there's something for every room and every need. The Airflow Quiet Air range of fans are elegant and discreet, designed to suit your life and home. A stunning combination of contemporary design and exceptional energy efficiency, Airflow fans are perfect for the modern green consumer. The Airflow Icon series, with its slim, stylish designs and superior operation, has everything you want from a fan. Available in a wide range of interchangeable colors, these fans are designed to be at home in every room of your house. We have an impressive range of ceiling fans that will look stunning in any room. We make it easy for you. Most fans are capable of drop rod or ceiling flush mounting, finding a home in any room on any ceiling. Reversible blades mean you're guaranteed cool air in summer and warm air in winter, with 2 or 3 speed motors and remote control access that means you have ultimate control. Choose from modern, traditional or ultra-modern designs, with or without lights. The choice is yours for fans that will suit the look and feel of your home. All these fans and more are available in the categories listed below, and all with next day delivery from just £3.98.